What's up, guys? So today we're going to do this quick typing test, and I'm going to try to do it and have a record. So no, what? Going to try this one. I don't know this. I don't know. What? Hey. Oh. Oh. This is weird. Let's try a clicking speed test. Actually, we're gonna no, dude. Yo, what the This isn't. This just can't be. I put my mouse back here. It's there. What did I? Let me just. No. Let me just try. Turtle. 1, 2, 3. Fuck. This is annoying. Why do I have to wait? Just do this. Why does the mouse go up? I have to hold it. I'm not a lazy ass. Are you a lazy ass? Well, try it. Try it. This is the link. I'm gonna put it in the description. And try it if you are a lazy ass. Bye.